Hi guys, this is Sangeeta Vera and you are watching Cologne in Art. So it's a BTS inspired art and craft video, and it's a very special video for me because I am a BTS army from India, and I guess all of you are BTS armies, and if you are not, then I'm sure you will be one day because they are BTS. They will make you love themselves. Now let's start the video, but before that I just want to say armies all over the world, spread love and love yourself, and also subscribe my channel for more DIY videos. So to make this beautiful DIY BTS room decor, you just need a cardboard of size 24 cm by 26 cm and wrap it all over with aluminium foil. Now take another cardboard of same size and then cut its middle portion after leaving 2.5 cm border in each side. After that, take a transparent paper and stick it over the frame with double side tape. Now cut the aluminium foil into small strips and stick it such like it will cover the borders of the frame. Here for the front side I am using double tape, and for the back side I am using white glue. And guys, a lot more BTS inspired crafts are coming soon, so for that subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get updated about my latest videos. And after wrapping all the borders, it will look something like this, and then take a black chart paper of size 15 cm by 18 cm and draw the BTS logo on it. And if you are not comfortable with drawing, you can download a BTS logo from internet and then print it out. Now cut it, but guys, be careful while cutting. And after cutting you will get this part. Now to give special effect to this lettering, I am using acrylic color which is in metallic golden shade. Now cut 4 heart shapes from red glitter paper sheet. Now arrange these parts like this and then stick it. Now again cut some teeny tiny cute heart shapes. Here you need some decorative stones, and I personally prefer these silver ones, but you can customize it according to availability in your place. And now to hold the frame on the desk, I cut this part from cardboard and then wrapped it with aluminium foil and then stick it in a suitable position. So this is the final look of this cutest frame, and thank you for watching.